Hey guys, welcome to the Coding with Luke channel. Today is just part 2 of clicker game, how to make one. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can make more characters, get access / items that you click. Alright, let's get into it. So, first we're going to want to click at another sprite. I'm going to pick convertible 2. And then we're going to want him to go up there. Then we're going to click on the backdrop, go here to the costumes, and do the text. We're going to put 500. Alright, let's see. We're going to lower this a little. Alright, so now we want to get a win flag clicked, and then we want to go to our item and go to get a win flag clicked and go to where it is right now. So then also we want to do, so we get it unlocked by going like this, getting a forever loop. If points equal 500, and you can change this amount. It doesn't have to be 500. It can be more or less. So then you put it in the if then, and then you want to make it go to wherever this is, wherever your first item is, which is mine's at -1, -136. Alright, so now if we get 500, this will go over here. And then we want to, when it goes over there, have this happen to it. So now it can get clicked. So now we say when this sprite clicked, and we look over here, we want to go to -1 and -136, and then change points by 1, and then play the sound pop, and then set size to 110, and then do another one, and also get a wait 1 second, but change it to 0.5 seconds. So now when we get 500, it'll go over here, or this car will still be here. So we want this to disappear when this car is put. So to do that, we can go to events. We can say broadcast new message. We're gonna do it next item and press OK, and then go to the first item and then say when I receive next item. Then you can put hide. So now, we set it to 500. This is just for now, just to show you. And now that goes down there, and then it's that card instead, and then you can click that one. And so that is basically how you make cars get unlocked, or in this case cars, but in your game it can be anything. Oh yeah, and also you want to show them when the flag is clicked. But that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.